Hi, and welcome to Master People Platform Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will show you how to send invitations, and we do that by creating new persons, use existing profiles. I will show you the Publish button and how to change mail templates. This can both be done to new assessments, but also existing assessment. But first of all, let's jump onto the Master People platform. And as always, I'm presented with the dashboard of my company, Newline HR Limited. When I want to go in and find an assessment that I have been working on, but I haven't finished, I go to the assessment. And as you can see here, I have a list of different assessments. The yellow ones are the ones that are in draft, and the green ones down here are the ones that has already been published. Then I have a couple of archived assessment here. But I want to keep on working on the sales representative recruitment that I'm doing. I've already added 3 people to this assessment that I did when I created it, but I would like to add some more people. And if I want to add a person that I know is in the database, I simply start typing their name up here. I'm looking for Sandra, and as I type her name, this list changes to include all the people that has, in this case, SAN in their name. If I write Sandra, it should be the only one. I press Sandra, and Sandra Short is added to my list over here. As you can see, the invitations are not sent yet, and I can see that in this little icon that says not sent. I have now the 4 candidates that I want to have on my assessment. And in this particular assessment, they will be invited to do an ACE and an OPTO. This recruitment is in draft, which I can see up here. And I need to press publish to be able to send the invitations. You can see that the button down here, send invitations, is not active at the moment because I haven't published the assessment yet. So by pressing publish up here, I get to the mail invitation. I can choose the language that I want to use. In this case, I will keep the English so I understand it. I can change. Welcome to Newline HR Limited. I can choose whatever subject I want. I can change the template down here without being it saved to the actual template. Of course, you have to remember that this same email is sent to all the people on the list. So if I write up here, Sandra, both Sandra and Simon and so on will look at the name Sandra. So that is not good. I want to be a little bit informal, so I'll write hi, and then full name. You have been invited, blah, blah, blah. And the test names, I'll leave that. This one I want to leave out. Of course, these placeholders as full name, test name, and link to test are quite important, especially the link to the test. If you delete this little placeholder, the candidates will not be able to access the tests. When you're happy with the email, you simply press publish. And as you can see on the list now, the little icon not sent has disappeared, meaning that Sandra, Matt, Fiona, and Simon have all received the invitation in their email box. You can do this in the same round where you're creating the assessment, or as you have seen here, you can go into existing assessments. If I look at the list again, I will now see that my sales representative assessment is now added with a green circle instead of the yellow one, meaning that this one is published. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to send invitations on the Master People platform. Thank you for watching.